Alright, hello guys, welcome back. I just want to check if my video is actually recording because the last time I created a video, that's almost I took a whole lot of time trying to, pass vital knowledge to you guys, but unfortunately at the end, I ended up not even recording a dime, and I was so devastated. Permit me, in the course of the video, I'll be going back and forth to actually know if the video is recording because I cannot afford to repeat such mistake again. So now, I want to officially welcome you guys to another year, another beautiful year, 2026, and I hope you're ready because there are so many things on the line that you cannot repeat what happened last year. And for you watching this video, and it's my prayer that um everything is gonna change for you this year. So if you believe it, God will help you achieve it. Now, I don't want you to stress yourself. Forget about those people making 10,000 pips, 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips. Those are not a sustainable way of trading. Yeah, it's good, all right. If you're a kind of person that loves the roller coaster, I know the kind of trader that I am. Okay, so I want to be in a trade that doesn't take too long to hit my take profit. And even if it takes too long, I should be able to enter at the right time so that I stay there to be able to manage my emotion while watching the trade play out. I don't know if you understand. So now I've created a 4-hour candle trading strategy. Please, this is a new YouTube channel. I want to grow this channel and I want you to help me like this video and subscribe. Please, if you have friends who are looking for videos that will help them change their trading game, help them scale up their profit account, past whatever size of profit account. In fact, I'll be rolling out videos that will help you. I've written a book also on this concept, and in fact, you're gonna love it. When we are done, yeah, I'm gonna attach links to these videos so that you can be able to buy that ebook and help yourself. It will help you pass profit accounts like it's nothing. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mark out the candle. Now I've marked out some candles. This is a 4-hour candle, 4-hour candle. Now I'm just gonna mark out this range. Alright, so for a bullish 4-hour candle, we want to mark out this range of it, the high to the low, like this. Alright, so I get I'm just gonna make sure I get everything right. Alright, so we have this right here. Now now we have this right here. Now what I'm gonna do is go to um let me just delete this. Let's go to either the 3 minutes. Let me use 1 minute. I like to catch it. I like to see what the market is doing. Okay. Remember the pair I'm using to trade this is the Euro USD. Okay, baby pair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check this out. Now remember, this was a bullish setup. Okay, this was a bullish setup. Obviously, we are waiting for market to do whatever it wants to do, like this, and come into this zone. All right. Once it come into this zone and engulf, you get, you're just gonna engage in this trade normally. That is how it should have been. Okay. Let's say you're a beginner, you don't even know anything that I'm talking about in this trade. All right. One, where's 15 pips? Now we're gonna make it like this. So looking at this now, um, a beginner would look at this and be like, oh, uh, yeah, enter my trade right here, which you wouldn't be wrong. Okay, you're not wrong for doing that. But then you have to also consider the external liquidity. liquidity has been taken from above here, right here. Liquidity has been taken from above. Okay. Now, what we are looking at now is the level holding it. Immediately market did this. It started founding resistance. You get. So now that resistance now turns support. Alright. So this place that was supposed to be support to drive price upward is now broken, right? Is now weak. Here is now becoming the resistance, right? So supporting a bearish move. Now, once we see this market comes down and begin to find support here, enter your trade. Immediately it comes here, takes out this low liquidity here, enter your trade from here because market has invalidated this move and change character to this move. So immediately we see this sweep, this level, comes back into this range. Enter your now it only means that your stop will be a bit higher. Target 15 pips. See how easy it is. Now let's do 1:2 like this. Market did what? Market went and hit our take profit. Very simple, very repeatable, very easy to do. Okay, very simple. Now, usually it's more difficult for beginners to trade the reversal type of trade because they will find it so difficult. That's the truth. But when you stay long in the game, you know what I mean. Now, market came, took out liquidity, gave us um resistance turning support. So once you see that resistance turn support, take your sell instead of buy. Now let's check another candle. This candle. Now this one is a bearish candle, so I'm gonna mark from the low like this to the high like this. Right. This is the only channel that will show you the truth for what it is. Okay. Now remember, this is not a random candle we are entering. This is a London section for our candle. Okay. So go to your chart, identify it. Now this is London section for our candle. Mark it high and low. You can use any market session indicator provider to help you identify the London section or the New York session. You can use Lux Algo session indicator. You can use FXN. You can use so many other indicators out there. So far, it has market session. It will always identify the London, the New York, even the Tokyo, other sections that are in it. But then, this is the concept of what you need, a candle range. Okay, now we've identified this. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark the high and low of that candle, and we wait for price to trade into any of those zones, and we'll look for rejections. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame so that we can get the gist very clearly. I'm gonna do other pairs so that you understand that this thing is not. Look at how beautiful this price action is. Oh, you just have to love this. Now there are internal liquidities, but that's not. There are so many goodies to this, man. Now I've packaged this in my book. Everything streamlined in that book. So now look at what market did. Market came and took out this internal. Look at how this is an internal liquidity. Market took it out. See how beautiful it is. Began to turn support, support. You see, this is rejection playing out right in front of you. So market could not press this. So immediately this low has been violated. I will simply enter myself from here. an engulfing bearish candle. 15 pips. Very simple. 1 is to 3, and I'm out. So sorry, let me confirm that this is recording. Alright, we are right on track. So you see how easy it is. The market played out beautifully. Now let me check. Should I do USD card or let's do CHF? Let's do CHF. Alright, let me clear out all of this. Go to the 4-hour candle. This is how you see the candle for what it is, right? For what it is. So there was news on the last 2 days. So I wouldn't really go to those candles because that is news. And news, these are these are USD pairs that are really impacted by news. But then I'll mark out the high like this. Let's see how traditional continuation works. Now I think this will be the last video I'm gonna show you. So let's see. Go to 1 minute. Now market came exactly the same thing. Now your entry, once you wait, market comes in here, comes into this zone, just calm down and wait. Calm down and wait. Whatever the market does here, it will always come back a bit for you to enter because this is a pullback into these levels. So, and this was a very deep pullback, which for people who are so indecisive, maybe they would have gotten in here. It would have, we might have stopped them out based on this low. But immediately market took this liquidity, we started seeing rejection. You see, we started seeing rejection at that level. It started making pin back. So um I wouldn't advise you to draw a trend line because you're just starting out, right? But then these are added confluences for intermediate traders who are more experienced than beginners, like maybe most of you guys watching this video. I don't want to call name because I know you. I know you're watching this video. Sorry about that. So just kidding. So um, but look at what price action is doing. We are seeing price action a little bit better, okay? Because market started rejecting off of that zone. Oh, what would have done is wait for that. Now some people will begin to draw line, SMC divergence and all those shit. No, wait for that market to pull out of that zone. Immediately it pulled out from here. Now from here, this is where I get into the trade. Keep my stop just below this low. Target what? 15 pips, like so. Funny enough, this is a 3.3 risk to reward ratio. Market went that 15 pips and hit it. Now, I don't want to start defining the ideology behind taking profit at 15 pips and whatnot, but what you have to understand is after every move, market corrects. Now, I am not the type of trader that wants that emotional roller coaster where 1 minute I'm in profit, the next 4 hours or 5 hours I'm in drawdown. No. Once I'm in profit, I am in profit and I take my profit and I leave. The next day I come and I do the same thing all over and all over again. So this is a strategy I'll be revealing to you guys in the course of this year to help you change your life. For some of you that are profit traders, please take this video seriously and skyrocket your profit. So until next time, guys, peace. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for your time.